Busuya ka say hit baba. Me na ka say there. A year former education minister. A year Yaw Adutwum da ba beto abonten say. Election no all kono. Ono no de on attack o. On bo wodi nka asem. Na emom no attack ne de a. And you be attack will be. Ebusuya kwankwo video. Any nsem a. A year former education minister. Dr. Yaw Adutwum edutu dwa namba na wi a. Na yeso ya twetwe agin actually agin
the campaign will be clean. Name what attack me they may respond.
Obi takwa.
Hey. What attacking me may respond. Meet me baby.
107.3.
Now wo ba attacking me no me jam alko. Internet there. What attacking me there? I will respond. Mama Ghana for who said they wo kan obwa. But wono memfa mano e me kan woda. Me meka bibi ntia. Na emum say wo be yo ho say metime baby menya wo hwe na wo be keka nsem a enimu a me nso esa me nso michirechire mu kire Ghana for say de wo ka no enim na obi ani le
but in a professional way.
Of course Dr. Adutwum ni diatem I was me can say me
107.3.
NDC doesn't have to be bad for my party to be good. They can be good, but I can always say that NPP is better. I have decorum. I respect, and I've been raised very well. Me entity e hear me. Inti me nko baby nko kasa basa. Adwuma se mbe ya Attaçk. Da be no akọ studio bi wase me to ayam pia edidi nkrofata. Me ko mfie nkunu ni o. Me betra tram wanim enimu be di nkita ho e TV stations, radio stations. Baby eni ho amako ha ebufo bi aba na me chekere me ho debi minim se Ghana fo me de obuo a emu odu e ma Ghana fo o mada Roma ene eti ha
Nti obi anka wa wonka obi
debi
obi ani ne lemu
ne enko na emum ho be ka de ha ene obi se Dr. Adutwum me nso
Ebusuya nipa ya tin nkan former education minister Dr. Yaw Adutwum no de tu dia say ono de election na ye kononya de a obi attack obi personality obi juma oye ana say obi nsem a oka na emom no say oba for ne de a and also he also come for you. If you come for him, he would also come for you. That's what he's saying. So I say I was sending strong warning at the all the presidential aspirants and they say you clean campaign. Now when you clean campaign, now what you say about attacking the personality, about attacking the Juma obey ne nsema all can sorry Ebusuya nsema all can there is no way obetra mo ahwe no twa ntrogu no so oba bonten aba be defend ne ho isa say on transfer the credibility no obi mfanye den enya form. And you see what he's saying, no, it makes sense 100%. I will not come for you, so don't come for me. But if you come for me, I'll come for you. Very simple. And I know the people are or address you. I know. And I'm very sure you also know. Because this contest, now we NPP 5. Dr. Yaw Adutwum. Engineer Kwabene Japan. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Kennedy Akompre Akwe Japan. And after no Dr. Brian Adutwum. Dr. Brian Achampon, sorry. Dr. Brian Achampon. These are the 5 presidential aspirants. NPP forms are also submitting nomination forms for the NPP presidential primary be held on the 31st of January 2026. So these are the NPP 5 factors say NPP forms are running for presidential primaries. No, I don't know. And NPP 5 2 I can Japan and Brian Achampon. Amona me hu say omo campaign no mo ye no omo attack amanfo bebre pa. So basically no sa asem okay no ekọ e de ma omo. Uji hu di say wo message a sell wo message ni fama delegate no. Catch a delegate ni de nti a obeye de entuma na obeye the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. That is the most important thing. I was say oh yeah. As a presidential aspirant and that will be a person be flag bearer. another candidate presidential candidate at my party no catch the delegates no dear obetimi aye dear why any the nti to mount now bear the flag bearer and yes bia obia pre-binti unso we then what's always be pre-bi there be it is not done that way. It is not done that way. Tell Ghanaians the reason why you should be voted as the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. Tell Ghanaians. That's what Ghanaians want to hear. It is not about the money you have. It's not about cars do auto. It's not about any power bomb. That is not what the country needs. The country needs someone. Obetimi abuati someone man then akon anim. And na Ghana o man here so if untimi enye campaigner Ghana for ni party na wa be ye sa propaganda campaign ni dia minua ebe how I'm telling you ebe sino Yaw Adutwum doctor former education minister ne nsamo a ode atudwa eno no. And I'm very sure say obi ati asesa no obi aso be clean and fair campaigner ebe boa ama party no Matthew Macau ne tokwane wo mu no ano be den ebe brase na etimi a work towards a year victory 2028. I think so. That is the most important thing. I was say every presidential candidate and then call for a to help the party to solve all these problems our party and those staffs. Yes, I think that's the best thing we can do for now. And tebusu ma me so wadwen kire comment section say some doctor Yaw Adutwum can one ne ya adwen ana say one ne nya adwen na one ne ya adwen a den ti na one ne ya adwen so one no enya adwen so a den ti na one ne enya adwen ha ye Ghana Nsem TV. Ebusu abakai say Dr. Mahmood Bawumia can say Ghana card no esan e-passport and am na waka say eye CEO e the National Identification Authority a confirm say na Dr. Mahmood Bawumia e kai na ebusu ya ntwe video no embra
say obegye tum say ho no ogufi ana say one custody system na we ansan wakasa say na wonim say already no Ghana card na link me to banks ni mobile money account no and wo kan ye ana say okodru ho no still na ye link ye.
Okay. Good part. So I ask a question. I think my post the people didn't get the clarification what I wanted to post.
Okay.
Now NIA card no it has 3 profiles on it: e-wallet, e-passport, and e-ID. Now we've activated the e-passport. What I was saying is that I want to activate the e-wallet, which will be linked to your bank. Once your e-wallet is linked to your banker, if I say any of the banks, you can use your Ghana card as a means of transaction as an ATM card to go and instead of asking them their mobile number or giving them cash, I can give them my Ghana card with the POS and withdraw money or pay or make payments.
Wow.
That is what I was talking about. I was saying that I'll link it to your bank account because already it's linked to your bank account already. But I said I'll link it to your bank account for transaction so that you use your Ghana card to perform transaction.
What did you say?
All right, ebusuya. Dr. Mahmood Bawumia catch that was a Ghana card. A swan for swore, as interchange by 10. Now one says now dinner them. Ghana card nankasano, e-passport, electronic passport. Ghana card no. It's also e-wallet, electronic wallet. Say you activate e-wallet now. Wait me you Ghana card. At the ending, at the atwa baby omoje credit card because automatically no. Ghana card is linked to your bank account. Into e-wallet, I'll wait me you Ghana card no. At the transactions, our bank, our retail shops, our malls, baby almost accept a card transaction biano. Wait me Ghana card na then. Aye. Ghana card no, our 3 profiles, e-wallet, e-passport, and e-ID, electronic identification. So Ghana card no, one for one, say kutu, say bam. Nina ye den, Nina ye NPP, or to go common yoku, shall see under His Excellency the former President John Agyekum Kufuor. Na under Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor ne Vice President Nyansa ewo ni tribunal yaba adwem mu se yemfa Nyansa nya de de a odi motintimai na wa beji Ghana efiri nkwaso ma yese ye wo mu idi akwa enim into 29 ne Nyansa mu de ka ho se Ghana card no ewo se timi yesa na ma we nyina nti o so timi Ghana card no e use as a credit card e de to ade e o so timi su Ghana card no as a passport etimi di tu kwan eno ntina nne odu kotoka na odi kire we ne super na e-gate na ebie because it is a passport na nikita o we Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ntina me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia embe the next president of Ghana esan say ono pe ne bitima ma Ghana it sabrochi na opese we den okotena no ti doctor ni Nyansa ni doctor ni president ni doctor ni Sekutu Sebam